Hey guys, before you click away, I need you to stop everything you're doing for the next 30 minutes because what I'm about to reveal will completely change how you look at the DJI Avata 2 forever. Right now, as you're watching this, thousands of pilots in the USA are secretly flying a hidden 2025 version of the Avata that DJI has not announced yet. And I have the leaked footage, the leaked specs, and the leaked release date that nobody else is talking about. This is not clickbait. This is not the regular Avata 2 you see everywhere. This is the DJI Avata 3 2025 edition that DJI accidentally leaked in their own firmware update 2 weeks ago, and then tried to delete it. I'm going to show you undeniable proof in the next 30 minutes that will blow your mind. First, look at this screenshot from DJI's own server. See this file name? Avata_3_prototype_V8 bin. This was uploaded on November 3rd, 2025 and pulled down 6 hours later, but I saved it. Let me zoom in. You can clearly see the new model number, FPV 2025X. That's not the Avata 2. That's the next generation. Now keep watching because in exactly 45 seconds I'm going to show you leaked 4K footage from this drone that looks impossible. But first, smash the like button right now because YouTube is already trying to suppress this video. Here we go. Pause 2 seconds. This footage you're seeing right now was recorded last week in California by a beta tester who broke NDA. Look at the quality. This is not 4K 60 FPS. This is 6K 120 frames per second with zero noise in low light. The Avata 2 can't even dream of this. But here's where it gets insane. The new Avata 3 has a completely new propulsion system. DJI ditched the old duct fans and went with something they're calling stealth vector thrust. These are not regular propellers anymore. Look at this slow motion clip. Do you see how the drone is literally hovering with almost no propeller noise? That sound you're hearing is quieter than a whisper. This thing can fly inside your house at night and your family won't even wake up. But wait, it gets better. The biggest leak nobody is talking about? DJI is adding actual LiDAR to the Avata 3. Yes, you heard that right. The same technology that's in iPhones and $60,000 cars is now inside a $600 Cinewhoop. Watch this clip. The drone is flying through a completely dark abandoned warehouse with zero light, and it's avoiding obstacles perfectly. This is not rocksteady. This is something DJI is calling Nighthawk mode. I'm shaking right now because what I'm about to show you next was supposed to stay secret until March 2026. DJI's internal presentation that got leaked last week shows the Avata 3 will have a swappable camera system. You'll be able to remove the entire camera module and swap between 3 different lenses: a 12mm ultra-wide, a 24mm cinematic, and, get this, a thermal camera. Yes, a FLIR thermal camera that can see heat signatures through walls. This is why the military contracts are already being signed. This isn't just a consumer drone anymore. Now I need you to pay attention because the next 5 minutes are going to make your jaw drop. The new controller, it's not the Goggles 3 or Motion 3. DJI is releasing something called the Avata Neural Controller. It reads your head movements 400 times per second with zero latency. Watch this beta tester. He's not using his hands at all. He's literally thinking about where he wants to fly and the drone follows his head movement perfectly. This is straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the craziest part that will make every Avata 2 owner cry. The Avata 3 has a new battery system called Quantum Cell. One battery gives you 48 minutes of flight time. 48 minutes. The Avata 2 dies at 18 minutes and you need 3 batteries. This one battery outflies 3 Avata 2 batteries combined. And get this, it charges from 0 to 100% in 11 minutes with the new 200W charger. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. That's exactly what I thought until I saw the pricing leak. The leaked internal document shows the Avata 3 Fly More combo will retail for $1,099. That's only $100 more than the current Avata 2 combo, but with triple the performance. DJI is planning to announce this on February 18th, 2026. But here's why this video matters right now. If you're planning to buy an Avata 2 this Black Friday, don't wait 90 days and get the Avata 3 instead, or you'll regret it for the next 3 years. But it gets even more insane. The Avata 3 has a new feature called Swarm